Hello guys, welcome to Pinoy Side Hustle TV. In this video, I will teach you how to participate Hamster Combat Airdrop. So we have some good news today guys because Hamster Combat gives us an update of all the tasks that we need to complete in order to be eligible in their future airdrop. But first, in order to be eligible in their airdrop, we just need to participate of participate all the events available here on Hamster Combat, just like by tapping and also increasing your profit per hour. So let's go to the update guys. So just open your Hamster Combat application and go to airdrop. Okay, so here is the instruction. So airdrop task listing is on its way. Tasks will appear below. Complete them to participate in the airdrop. So we need to complete by connecting our Ton wallet and joining the Telegram channel. So let us connect our Ton wallet. So by the way guys, if you don't have a Ton wallet, you need to create one. Okay? So creating a Ton wallet is very easy. So I will not show you how to create a Ton wallet. I just assume that you already have a Ton wallet. So connect your Ton wallet. Okay, open wallet and Telegram. So we use Ton wallet because Ton is partnered with Hamster Combat. So connect wallet. So successfully we connected our wallet guys. So connect your crypto wallet. If you don't have one, create one. So we already have one. So successfully we connected our Ton wallet. And next is we need to join Telegram channel. Join. So I have already joined the Telegram community of Hamster Combat. So we need to get back, and then we will press check because we already joined the community. So guys, as early as you can, complete all the tasks now, okay, in order to be eligible on their future airdrop guys. Okay, so don't waste this opportunity. Complete now. So hoping this video helps you, and if you find this video valuable, consider subscribing because I will give you an update in the future. So thank you guys.